Hey Seals, Kitty Seal 20111 here, and today I have a we have a glitch. Okay, move up, move up. See, like, okay, so on her screen it's still in my this den, and yeah, and there's two of me. You can't hear because I have headphones. Like, and I'm on the wall on her screen, and she's on the wall on my screen. Wait, move up a little bit more. Yeah, look at that. She's on the wall, and like it's so weird. Like, how did this even happen? What happened? Like, what were you doing? Like what? Yes, like oh my gosh, like what is this? Yeah, I changed it. Like what the heck? This is so weird. I'm gonna take a picture of this on my phone. Wait, put the camera back so I can take a picture. Okay, move up all the way. Like, wait, okay, wait. Kind of get it like with me and you in it. Like, move back a little bit. Okay, that's good. I'm gonna take a couple pictures. Wait, I'm gonna move up too. Okay, I can't see you. Move a little bit down. Wait, click where you are. Yeah, click where you are. That helps a lot. Okay, I'm gonna take pictures. Alright, I took pictures. That is a weird glitch. I don't know. Let me see if there's a second version of you. There is no second version of you. What the heck? This is so weird. What the heck is going on? This is so stupid. I have to do this like every single time. Like my computer is glitching. Like really, for reals. It's glitching. How do you like unglitch it now? Oh my gosh. Okay, I'm gonna have to okay, I'm gonna end this video. Um Comment, like, and subscribe. Tell me if you have this glitch also. And so yeah. Bye, seals.